Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla trunk. First, ensure your vehicle is in park. To open the trunk, you can use the touch screen, the mobile app, or the button on the trunk itself. For closing, use the same methods. Always make sure the area around the trunk is clear before operating it to prevent any obstructions or damage. To set a custom opening height, manually lift or lower the trunk to your desired position. Once it's exactly where you want it, press and hold the button located on the underside of the trunk lid for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a chime confirming the new height has been saved. Now, each time you open the trunk, it will stop at this custom height. If your trunk isn't opening or closing as expected, first check for any physical obstructions. Sometimes a small item can prevent proper operation. If the issue persists, try a soft reset by navigating to the service menu on your touchscreen and selecting Power Off. Wait a few minutes, then press the brake pedal to restart. This often resolves minor glitches. For safety, always ensure your hands and any objects are clear of the trunk's path when it's opening or closing. The power liftgate has sensors, but it's best to be cautious. Periodically inspect the trunk seals for any signs of wear or damage to maintain a good seal against weather. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.